Peace and blessings to all, peace and blessings. Hello, beautiful souls. You are powerful. You are great. The world is in your hands. You are infinite beings. Hope you are raising the vibration. Raise the vibration. Keep your energy. Raise the vibration. Charge up. Ground. Nature. Get out in nature. Nature is waiting on you. You got to get on that charger, just like you put your phone on a charger. Nature is our charger. Got to go charge up on there and transmute all this negative energy.